Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you're welcome. My name is Oyin Damola Adiloju, and on this channel I film about skincare, makeup and lifestyle. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what I got for my makeup. So the first thing I got is this makeup brush. It's actually for washing your makeup. Let me open it so that you can see it very well. That's it. So this is how it looks. I got this one from Temu. It's for makeup brushes. Yes, if I want to wash my makeup brush, and instead of just using my hand, I can use this to like scrub and wash it. And I just put some water and soap there, and it's just like a silicone. It's nothing special, but it's actually good. I saw it and I'm like, this is so good. Let me just get it from my makeup brush, and I think I only use my makeup brush for 2 to 3 times. I think it's advisable to use your makeup brush 1 to 2 times and wash it so that it won't break out your face and all of that. If you are someone that uses your makeup brushes or do your makeup almost every time, like every week or whenever you're going out, you need to learn how to like wash your makeup brushes so that you can prevent it from having breakout. So I bought this. It's actually not bad. The next thing I got is this mirror. This also from Temu. I also got this mirror from Temu because if I want to start, doing my makeup videos, I just need something that will be looking at my face so that I can see what I'm doing. That's why I got this small mirror. I got this small mirror on Temu as well. It's portable and I love how small it is. Next thing I got is this eye pencil. I've actually checked it, but it's a nice pencil. It comes in black, brown, and I think nude. It's 3 in 1. Can see, but the only thing I don't like about it, I did not check it very well. Actually, it's supposed to be something that has a sharpener. But I have another eye pencil that I can use to sharpen it. But I feel like they should have at least, maybe even if it's one of the eye pencil, they should have at least do like a pencil. Because if this one go down and there's nothing I will use to sharpen it. So I have to like get a sharpener to like sharpen. But I have a sharpener that I can use to sharpen it. It's actually not bad and it's portable. So I bought it for my eyebrow pencil. So get ready for some tutorials. Yeah, I got this. I love it so much. And I can't start using it. These ones are actually not part of the makeup unboxing I want to do, but I got these ones also from Temu. I have a party coming up and fixing of nails is actually quite expensive for me. I don't want to be fixed because I'm a hairstyle professional. So if I fix my nails, I can't even use it up to 3 days because I will go back to work and I have to like, remove it. So I prefer press on nails that I can just, for that event, I'll just use that press on nail. Then maybe the next day or before I go to work the next time, I would have removed the press on nail. So it's very easy to use and very easy to fix, especially the toenails. I like white toenails. So I got toenails and the fingernails. The next set of things I got is this nail polish. They're so cute. Oh my god. I've actually tried, if you follow me on Instagram, TikTok, I've actually tried this red press-on nails. It's actually so beautiful. I love it. Especially when my nails are long. I just like paint it, and I also got it in nude. I got it in nude and I also got it in white. I got this one from supermarket. It's not from Temu. I got it from supermarket when I went to get my creams and body care products. So I got this. So I also use it for, I can put on my press-on nails and just use any of these colors to like paint it and make it more beautiful. I have the colorless one, but it's not something that I just got. So these are the things I got and I love it. The next thing I got is this VBT foundation in ebony color. I think, yeah. Yes, ebony color. I'm not like try it, but I just hope that it matches my face tone, my face shade. I got it from my makeup vendor in the market, so I ordered it. It's just one foundation I got because I don't want to buy anything. I just buy everything to buy it too. So I got this foundation, this VBT. I've used VBT foundation before. The last one that I finished was VBT, but it was not ebony. It was, I think it is one shaped lighter than this one. So every time I use it, it's now brighter on my skin. So I asked my vendor that you should give me another color like darker than the other one. So that's why I got this one. The next thing I got is this Kiss Beauty spray. Let me open it so that you can see very well. The makeup fix spray. I also got this from my makeup vendor. Yeah. So these are it. The next thing I got is also another makeup fix. This one is also from Kiss Beauty. So I got 2 makeup fix actually because I want my makeup to be like, I don't know. I just like anything that like hydrates my skin and all of that and make my makeup comes together. So I got this one as well. The next thing I got is this concealer. Let's open it. Yeah, I got this concealer. It comes in different shade actually. This the open part. So I got this concealer and I love the shade. It has like 12 colors inside. I can also use it for as like some people don't use foundation. I can use as my like undertone and all of that. I can use to conceal my under eye. I can use to like set my hair. And I got is this what's it called? Yes, lipsticks. These lipsticks, I've been seeing it online. The thing I like about this lipstick is that I can use it to do my blush as well. Although I got a powder blush, I'll still show you in this video. But this one is so nice. See, it comes in different colors. So I can use to do lip combo. Lip combo. So a different type of lipstick. I can also use some shade to actually do my bronzer. Right? Yeah. I can use some to do my bronzer. I can use some to do my lips. I don't like that. I don't like the fact that it is multi-purpose. I can use for different things. That's why I love it. The next thing I got is this two cute lip gloss. I got this one at the roadside. I was coming from work and I saw it like, let me get this two lip gloss. I need lip gloss because I don't have any and I can't afford all those sets. So I just got this. I think I got the two for 3K. This one is 2K. This one is 1K. You all know I can't be without lip gloss. So I love lip gloss. I can't wait to work with this brand. People also choose me, pick me, use me. Oh, I love their products. And especially this their basso. This is, I think, I've been using it, I don't know, I think since secondary school I've been using it also. And I like it. I just like it. I like how foamy. I like the smell and the fragrance of the soap. I like it so much. So I got three. I've used one. I'm presently using one. This is another one that I got. The other ones I got. So I got three. Guys, I got concealer. I know I've gotten one concealer before, that one I showed you. But I think I need something more darker and more lighter. So something I can easily apply. So if this one feeling I can go use that one, Then sometimes you just have to mix color. So I got this from Adventure Makeup. This one is lighter than my skin tone, and this one is I think my shade. Yes, I just got these two for my makeup blender. The next thing I got is this blush, this powder blush. I don't have any powder blush, so I got this powder 2-in-1 powder. I want to get that CPD powder, but I got it's expensive, Jerry. Yeah, actually, that's I'm going to get next. I think it's around 7K or so. I don't know, or 5K, 1,000 there. Like I can't get it, but I already got like some pro. I just want to be like building my makeup, but small. I don't want to buy everything because if I buy everything, I will go broke. I won't have money to eat, and I can't be eating all these things. I won't have money, so I don't want to like. I'm just getting everything like little by little. So I got this small powder lash. I like it. I like how cute it is. Oh, that's it. I got the powder palette. A big powder palette. The only thing I don't like about the powder palette is why are they putting contour? You can't just do one powder and just put all the powder. I don't need contour. I have like contour palettes. Like do contour palettes separately and do powder palette separately. Why are you putting everything together? When I was shopping, when I just see powder palette that is just powder palette, doesn't have contour there. I'm not sure. I got this powder palette. The last one I got was I think 6. But I like this one because it has like darker shades. But most of the darker shades are just underneath. All these ones are lighter shade. But I'm going to make use of them actually. And the contour is all this. Like how can you make powder palette and make like, let's just take 2 out of it and just make use of it and like just make the two just the contour palettes. It's powder palette for a reason, but I don't know. They wrote contour powder palette, so I get it. But I think that all these makeup brands is supposed to like do a powder palette that is just powder palette that doesn't have like a contour palette. Because sometimes I have a lot of contour palettes. Sometimes I'm not a fan of contour. There's some things I just like about makeup, but I think contour is not part of it, so I don't know. When I want to get for that, I'll just make sure I found one that doesn't contain contour palette like this one. The last thing I got is these wipes. This type of wipes I got before I bought this one. It's actually big and it lasts long and it does the job. I just use it for maybe when I want to clean my makeup before I use my, my skincare, like cleansing one of that. Just like, maybe I want to clean something like my brush or something quickly in my eyes and I put my makeup. So I got this like wipes. It's a baby wipes, but I also use it to clean your makeup. Get ready to see my makeup content. You people should subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. And that's all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, if you want more unboxing video like this, or you want me to like continue making videos talking about products I got, sharing my reviews about the products or how I use this product, I will definitely make use of all these products I unbox in this video. I'm going to create content around it by special grace of God. You people should just encourage me by subscribing, sharing this video, also liking this video so that others can see as well. And I'll see you in my next video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, comment. I love you all. Bye.